Man, this happened 1, 2, 3 times too much. These dumbass niggas.
Niggas ain't shit. Come up in your crib, all up in your fridge. Can't pay rent. Look at what you did. Listen to your friends when they say niggas ain't shit. Cause niggas ain't shit. Come up in your crib, all up in your fridge. Can't pay rent. Look at what you did. Listen to your friends when they say niggas ain't shit.
You can say that again. Niggas is square like Madison. I can't even really get mad at them. They fall, then I got a face palm. Shook 'em like an 8-ball and it's embarrassing. 10-page checks, should've wrote a book. Could've made a bag, but he broke and he's still waiting till like a chill. And he really think I'ma get back to him. Doing too much, relax a bit. Acting like that cause your dad's a bitch. Must be the way that the planet is. Must be your face cause it's not your dick. I'm a freak, not a masochist. Should've known you had the baddest bitch. Left on red and can't give head. Really you ain't shit, need a laxative.
Niggas ain't shit. Come up in your crib, all up in your fridge. Can't pay rent. Look at what you did. Listen to your friends when they say niggas ain't shit. Cause niggas ain't shit. Come up in your crib, all up in your fridge. Can't pay rent. Look at what you did. Listen to your friends when they say niggas ain't shit.
Said that's not cheating if I wasn't with your ass, yo. You kept secrets and your cousin told me that. So logical thinking is just something that you lack. So what you even meant for? Looking like a stick up in your asshole.
I'm not your mommy, nigga. Find a new hobby, nigga. Return your phone, get picked up. Your shit's in the lobby, nigga. I'm not gon' key your car. I'll call your fucking mom. You should've paid my rent. Go get a fucking job. Niggas ain't shit. Come up in your crib, all up in your fridge. Can't pay rent. Look at what you did. Listen to your friends when they say niggas ain't shit. Cause niggas ain't shit. Come up in your crib, all up in your fridge. Can't pay rent. Look at what you did. Listen to your friends when they say niggas ain't shit. Cause
yeah, tensions is definitely rising. Teed up right now. Tea time. Tea time. Tea time, tea time, tea time. Tea time like I got a cup of this. Tea time like golf at 5:45. I love the on a regular. Famous lame, but they stay on my. Heard your new joint, it's embarrassing. You talk to the cops on some therapy. You act like you love this American, but really the truth is you're scared of the 6. Yeah, you're scared of the 6. Yeah, you're scared of the 6. Your bodyguard put in some work on the flute. Now you wanna go and inherit it. Don't talk to the boy about comparison, but come to the boy on some arrogant. The weapons we got is some terrorists. Like TV producers, we airing it. She asking for bread for her parents. I told her I don't got no cash, and she said she could wait on a rack on some Arabic. I pull out $1 million to stare at it. My dick just got hard cause a wire just hit. My schedule was out, come spinners for real. Man, fuck all that spinning the narrative. I melt down the chains that I bought from your boss. Give a about all of that heritage. Since V not around, the members done hung up the Louis. They not even wearing it. Don't come to the boy about repairing some. Don't come to the boy about sparing some. You lucky that Vogue was suing, cause I would've been with the Wassers in Paris.
Is you crazy? Is you crazy? And they scared of the 7. After 1-3, then we turn up 11. Keep open like 7-Eleven. Me at the house, I got 7 in heaven. They think I'm satanic, I keep me a rebel. Lil' shorty a therapist, Papa is dead. She ushered my way, then she started confessing. I know it's at stake, I'm screaming free Jeffrey. Connect, collect calls right off of the celly. Gave her the blues, not talking about belly. Don't keep it sincere, I go Machiavelli. I got the juice now, it's heavy. Always on tea time, been ready. Yeah. Is you crazy? Is you, let's go. Rapping cause I'm got property. Chocolate AP and chocolate the V's. Got the Willy Wonka factory. Burn that athlete like it's calories. Find another flame, out as me.
Is you crazy? 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 Is you crazy?
I'm in these Texas boys and ran it up a couple maybe. Swinging in the pickup truck, baby. Mercedes, but she can't have a baby. I shoot your to wall, my like I'm a baby. The boy going Lionel Messi, I go Tom Brady. Used to wear the bus down back in my old days. Now I let the chains hang, you gotta tuck yours, maybe. Tuck it. It's talking Scarface, I'm not in real life. Is you crazy? Is you crazy? Man, the club ain't been the same since we lost Mercedes. Man, they clique ain't been the same since they lost the greatest. We outside with the army, so you need to. Them boys rolling all brown like they whipping gravy. Make a circus outside like it's Barnes Bailey. Blicky hanging on my side, it's like it's really hanging. She move her panties to the side, she want it raw and faded. Is you crazy? 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 Is you crazy?
She just moved right up the block for me, and she got the hots for me, the finest thing my hood has seen. Oh no, no, she got a man and a son though. Oh, when that's okay, cause I wait for my cue and just listen, play my position like a show star. Pick up everything, mommy hitting, and in no time, I better make this with her mine. And that's for sure, cause I never been the type to break up a happy home. But it's something about baby girl, I just can't leave alone. Tell me, mom, what's it gonna be? She said,
you don't know what you mean to
come
me.
on.
No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, boy, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you.
I see all out and you looking, I never say a word. I know how start acting trippin', I heard about that girl. No way, hey, Nelly gon' fight over no day, hey, as you can see. But I like your steez, your style, your whole demeanor, the way you come through and holler and swoop me in his two-seater. Now that's gangsta, and I got special ways to thank ya. Don't you forget it, but it ain't that easy for you to back up and leave him. But you and Dirty got ties for different reasons. I respect that. And right before I turned to leave, she said,
you don't know what you mean to me.
Come on.